Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to play music in Discord Mobile. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now what we're going to be doing here is we're actually going to be adding a Discord bot in our Discord server. So the first thing that we need to do is just go ahead and open up any browser. And then we're going to be searching for Discord bot right here. And then it's usually the first link that we have, so which is the top.gg website. So just go ahead and click on this. Now within the top.gg website, there are a couple of hashtags that you can go ahead and use. So let's just go ahead and look for hashtag music right here. And then you can go ahead and choose any music Discord bots that you want to go ahead and use. So there's these like, Matchbox, SimKL, Greenbot, Necotina, Musico, MusoX, and so on and so forth. So let's just say, for example, let's go ahead and use Jockey Music right here. Again, you can use any Discord bot that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose one. So let's take a look at Jockey Music. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and click on invite right here. Now we need to go ahead and log into our Discord server. So just go ahead and log into your Discord account. Now once that you have logged in, you should be able to see something like this, where we are going to allow the bot itself to be invited into our server. So just go ahead and select the server that you want to use. So I'm going to be using Apple Pie right here on the top. And then let's go ahead and click on continue. Now we want to go ahead and authorize and allow the bot itself to have permissions as an admin. So just go ahead and click on authorize right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to be opening up the Discord app itself. So let's just go ahead and go to our Apple Pie server right here, or the server that you have added. And then we're going to go ahead and join one of the calls right here. So just go ahead and join a voice. And then we're going to go ahead and go to any of the channels right here. And as you can see, I have used Jockey Music before. So we can go ahead and take a look at all of the different commands that we have right here. So if you want to go ahead and allow the bot to join our call, so just go ahead and type in !join. And the Jockey Music will go ahead and join the call itself. And if you want to go ahead and play music, then all you need to do is to use this command !play, and then any form of music that you want, and the bot will go ahead and start playing this on your mobile phone. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.